Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video, friends, I will tell you and show you how you can turn on vibration on iPhone. Be sure to, friends, put your likes, subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to write your comments after watching. Well, let us be with you, friends. Let's get started. And first of all, you will need to open the settings. And then please scroll down to the bottom. Go to the sounds and vibrations section. And up here at the top, you'll be able to quickly and easily find the section that's called Vibrations. Click on that. And first of all, you can customize the vibration to different options. For example, it can be always on, as it is in my case. Or for example, you can turn it on only for sleep mode and so on. Also, please go back to the section, Sounds and Vibrations. And here you can definitely also customize the vibration for some other purposes. For example, for keyboard, SMS messages, ringtone, and so on. You will just have to go to each of these sections and turn the vibration on or select it. This is the very quick and easy method to turn on vibration on absolutely any iPhone, friends. I really hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Take care, friends.